Hey, what's up, folks?
Today we are gonna open up some more
booster packs.
Yes, so shall we dive right into it?
Yes, let's go!
So this time I'm gonna go first. And bam! No scissors. Alright, let's put this one over there. Let's see.
It's a green code.
Regular green code. Oh, he's focusing on the little Eclipse over here. And I'm just gonna turn this one around in case he's gonna focus on it again. Okay. Green code. That one goes over there. 3, 4. Boom. Water energy. Alright. We got a Jolteon. Oh, that one is pretty awesome. Yeah. I think the shiny Jolteon is very underrated, in my opinion.
I don't like it. I'm sorry.
Yeah, my favorite color is green, so that's why. Ends Resolve. Mawile.
Oh, this one is really cute.
Wow. Is here a Lopunny on the background and a Jigglypuff?
Yeah.
Very nice.
Looks like they're having a party or something.
Some kind of party, yeah. Very cute. We got Nosepass.
Oh, with look at it in the back.
Is that another
Archie, is it?
No,
it's Dialga.
Dialga, yeah.
Dialga.
Oh, that one's pretty nice. Litleo. Isn't this a reprint from Celestial Storm?
Maybe, I'm not sure.
Looks like it though. Alright. Flabébé.
Oh, he's so sad.
Really? Oh. Spheal. Rolling on the Ice. We got a Natu. Another Spheal. This one is reverse hollow. And ooh, I'm gonna try to pronounce his name. Dragog. I don't know. Yeah, it's I think it was a dragon type, right?
Yes.
Yeah, pretty dope. Poison dragon, right?
I think so.
Yeah.
Because it's poison.
Yeah, really nice card. Yes.
So now it's my turn. I'm going to use the scissors.
Inish needs her scissors.
My friend said I looked very stupid using.
No. Friend or boyfriend? Because
friend.
Okay.
Yeah, you also said it.
No, I didn't say it looks stupid. I just find it funny. That's all.
Yeah, it's kind of funny. So, grass energy, bloom, Celio. B-sharp?
Bi-sharp. I think it was Bi-sharp. I'm not sure. Hey.
The clay rollet. Screlp. Pikachu.
Oh, that one's pretty nice.
Yeah. The Teddy Ursa again with the Arceus in the background. Ooh.
Another Nosepass.
Another Nosepass.
Another Nosepass.
Another Nosepass. And...
Oh!
Oricorio.
Damn.
GX.
That one is really pretty. Look at the purple pinkish. Wow.
It's a fancy Pokemon.
Damn, nice, babe. Alright, here we go. I see a little Duskull. That one's very cute. Alright, and I got another green code. That's okay. I don't mind. I'm not mad.
Maybe you'll get a very pretty rare.
Yeah, a very pretty one. Alright, here we go. We got a Glue, Celio, Bi-sharp, Duskull.
Another Duskull? Oh.
That's the Duskull we saw.
Yeah, I know.
That's okay. Timple? Is it Timple? Timple? I think it's Timple. A Flabébé.
Cute little Flabébé.
Yeah.
This one is not sad.
It's a different kind of art. Yeah. Nice. Alolan Sandshrew.
We haven't seen this one before, right?
No, I think we haven't. I think I pulled a Alolan Sandslash as a rare card in the previous video. Bonita. Coffee.
whoa.
Oh wow.
This one is really cool.
Damn. That's. It even has a little shine on it. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but oh, that one's pretty dope.
I want that one.
Then you can have that one.
Can't or can?
You can have that
Oh,
one.
thank you.
And we have Weavile as the rare card in this pack. A very cool looking card. I love what he's. What is he doing, by the way?
He's plotting a nasty plot.
Yeah, he's nice. Yes, very nice card.
So, second pack. Shall it be a green code or a green code? Well, that's okay. Poison. Ooh, Tropius.
I thought that was Psychic.
Tropius. Oh, did I say poison?
I think.
Oh,
you
it's
said poison.
yeah.
Psychic.
You are correct.
Oh, look at Mimikyu.
Mimikyu. He's shy.
Yeah.
Or not. Or he's planning something.
Or he's
planning
another.
Lily's Pokédoll. Litleo. Oh, another set baby. A seal. Natu. Palpitoad. Ooh, reverse holo Alolan Sandshrew and
Sunflora.
a happy Sunflora.
Look at that. I like the colors in the.
Yeah, in the background.
Yeah.
It's very colorful card. Yes.
Nice one. So last pack for me. Let's go. Let's hope for a.
Save the best for last.
A
Maybe?
nice card. Yeah. I hope this is. It's a regular green card. Alright, that's okay. I'm not mad, just a bit sad. Okay, let's go. Boom. Poison? I'm kidding.
No.
Alright. Cricketune.
Ooh.
Delmice?
Yeah.
I don't even know this Pokemon. From which Pokemon game / series is it? Black and White, maybe?
Oh my god. I have no idea.
Sun and Moon? I have never seen this one before.
X and Y or black?
Oh, maybe. Alright. Island Challenge Amulet. Phantom. Magnemite. Lillipup. Trapinch. Sneasel. Reverse Holo Heracross and Slurpuff.
Slurpuff.
Oh.
He's having a picnic by himself.
Oh, that's so adorable and sad at the same time. So yeah, that was my last pack.
So now it's time to open up my last pack. Ooh, a white code.
Let's hope for your first secret rare.
That would be very nice.
Be a nice end to the video.
Let's pray to the god Arceus. Yes. Fire. Guzma and Hara. I really like Guzma. Togedemaru. So I really said Japanese. So cute. Great Catcher. Rufflet. Piplup. Alolan Vulpix. Sleepy Rockruff. A Stuffle. Reverse Holo Clefairy. And ooh, a Holo Black Curium.
That one's pretty nope.
Nope.
Dope.
This one is very
dope.
no. No, it's really dope. You can't really see the holo, but it's pretty nice. So we didn't pull a secret rare, but we did pull something nice.
Yes, a beautiful GX card. And I got a beautiful coughing one I have never seen before, that kind of art style. But it's a pretty cool card. Yes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little unpacking video, and we hope to see you in our next video.
Bye.
Ciao.